Building your own sonar radar system at home is easier than you think. Today we are turning a few cheap components into real-time 180-degree radar scanner. Here's everything you'll need for this build: an Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, micro servo motor, a breadboard, and jumper wires. Now let's wire it up. Look at the picture, and you can pause the video. For the software, I've written a pre-optimized script that controls the sweeping motion and measure distance with zero lag. You don't need to write a single line. Just download the complete code from the link in the description and upload it straight to your Arduino. Time for the ultimate test. Once powered off, the servo continuously sweeps 180 degrees. As soon as an obstacle enters its path, the sensor detects it instantly, calculates the distance, and plots it visually on our display. Look at how accurately it tracks movement in real time. If you want to build this project yourself, all the source code and links below in the description. If you enjoyed this build, leave a like, subscribe for more projects, and let me know in the comments what we should build next.